Playing tennis. She plays tennis. She plays tennis. Reading. She reads a book. She reads a book. Cooking. She cooks in the kitchen. She cooks in the kitchen. Watching movies. They watch a movie. They watch a movie. Playing guitar. He plays guitar. He plays guitar. Painting. She paints a painting. She paints a painting. Hiking. They hike in the mountains. They hike in the mountains. Swimming. He swims in the pool. He swims in the pool. Running. They run in the park. They run in the park. Playing video games. He plays video games. He plays video games. Going to the gym. He goes to the gym. He goes to the gym. Doing yoga. She does yoga. She does yoga. Cycling. He cycles. He cycles. Fishing. He fishes in the river. He fishes in the river. Playing soccer. They play soccer. They play soccer. Dancing. They dance together. They dance together. Taking pictures. She takes a picture of something. She takes a picture of something. Skiing. He skis in the winter. He skis in the winter. Scuba diving. He scuba dives in the sea. He scuba dives in the sea. Meeting friends. She meets a friend. She meets a friend. Horse riding. She rides the horse. She rides the horse. Surfing. He surfs in the sea. He surfs in the sea. Traveling. She travels a lot. She travels a lot. Singing. She sings a song. She sings a song. Riding a motorcycle. He rides a motorcycle. He rides a motorcycle. Gardening. She loves gardening. She loves gardening. Going to the cinema. They go to the cinema. They go to the cinema. Playing chess. They play chess. They play chess. Going for a walk. She goes for a walk in the park. She goes for a walk in the park. Meditating. She meditates in the morning. She meditates in the morning.